Here's all the manuals that are going.
You're getting them all, are you?
Here's the printers that are going.
That's something new.
And someone's still working on the DG up to the last minute.
Get up close up there. But
There she is, working away. Oh, this one doesn't even make... Here she comes.
Oh, look at that one. Cotton sleeping.
He had here.
What's the word on the IBM? Wayne screwed up the IBM?
That's glass. Here she goes. Will she be back for the pizza party?
No, I already had lunch plans. I didn't know until too late.
All right.
Enjoy the pizza.
Okay.
you know the old saying that I went to a hockey game, I went to a fight and a hockey game broke out. Rodney Dangerfield.
Yeah, Rob Clark can appreciate that.
You go for some ribs, huh?
Uh-huh.
Ooh. In the men's hockey league, the no-check league. He flew into the wall and his elbow.
Does he need a hat? What do you think? You should wear a suit. And you wonder, why would it be? Yeah.
Hi, Lori. How you doing?
Oh,
Looking good, Lori.
He said he made him bigger.
and here's the short timer.
Got a big smile. Short timer. You can
He
tell,
can't
right?
stop laughing.
Yeah.
And this one.
Is the next short timer.
And what's that behind you?
A long time.
See, they don't want to join the party.
We're not allowed to have fun. We're working too much.
Oh, yeah. Why aren't you allowed to have fun? Were you bad boys and girls?
It's a team role we have. What are you doing smiling like that? You're happy. I need you.
Two ranks on the plate. And just
I gotta get Don because poor old Don is leaving us.
Yes.
I'll probably try to get
He wants to announce.
down camera, down camera.
Down camera, down camera. Well, I gotta get you before you leave so I can keep
He's got a
looking
cold in
at
his
you.
hand, showing time.
Let's see what kind should I get.
And what's really in here?
Yeah, I know it. I haven't been in here before either. Probably get some bucks out of it.
What's DG stand for? Darn good. I couldn't predict why.
You didn't take it down. You forgot to take it. How to take it down, I guess. They take it well, though.
Things never change, do they, Lori?
I gotta get in here.
Lori, 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 Lori,
Lori.
What do you got?
Rutland Fire Department that alerted.
Poor Lori, she was up like this.
That's scary.
You guys didn't have this
Tiny
plan very
little
well.
cord that connects directly to Lori's PC work table.
Oh, God.
And the wind is blowing her hair. Now is it done? It's gone.
She just wanted another encore, that's